I transformed my audio into an engaging video.
Was told they couldn't make it. They were told to stay home.
15-second video, your brain gets a hit of dopamine.
And generated realistic AI avatars in minutes. This is Revid AI, an all-in-one platform that now combines audio-to-video creation with AI avatar videos. And in this video, I'll walk you through these new features step by step so you can level up your content creation game effortlessly. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, we'll turn an existing audio file into video. Head over to Revid AI and click Create a new video. Select the Audio to Video option and upload your audio. In the customization settings, choose a generation preset from the available options. I'll choose AI Video for this tutorial. Enable Add B-roll to insert contextual visuals that match the speech. Next, decide whether you want to use the full audio or extract highlights. If you're working with a long podcast, disable Use Whole Audio. This allows you to extract short highlight clips. You can type specific keywords to pull the exact segment you want. If you're creating highlights, select your preferred media style and define how many extracts you want. For image generation, choose the Pro model. It delivers solid visual consistency while keeping credit usage reasonable. But if the audio is short and focused, enable Use Whole Audio to convert the whole piece into a single video. Then select your screen ratio, portrait, landscape, or square, depending on where you plan to publish. Enable captions so viewers can follow along with the speech. Once everything is set, click Generate Video. And here's the result. The outputs are smooth and consistent, with visuals syncing perfectly to the audio.
Don't wait. Motivation is unstable. It appears and disappears. Discipline stays.
To test things further, generate a video using your own media. Upload the audio file you want to visualize. In the customization settings, choose your own media instead of AI-generated visuals. This gives you tighter control over the final result. You can import new images or videos, reuse existing files from your library, or even turn a still image into a video. If you want full control, enable Use Only Provided Media. This prevents the AI from pulling stock visuals and restricts it strictly to the files you uploaded. After about 4 to 5 minutes, the output used the provided media and aligned well with the intended concept. When adding your media, include relevant elements so the tool has enough material to build a coherent final video.
Quit talking and begin doing. Action is the foundational key to all success.
Revid AI also supports multiple languages. To test this, I uploaded a Japanese audio clip and selected Japanese in the advanced settings. After reviewing the output, the tool captured the overall context accurately, though minor visual inconsistencies can still appear. Now, let's move to creating videos with AI avatars. Get started by selecting the AI Talking Avatar option. You'll see a script box where you can paste your own script, or you can use the built-in script generator if you want the tool to create one for you. Once your script is ready, scroll down to the Avatar section. Browse your preferred category from the Custom, Fantasy, and Celebrity style options. After selecting the avatar, choose your preferred voice and set the screen ratio. For layout, enable split screen within the B-roll settings so supporting visuals can appear alongside the presenter. Then, decide how you want the avatar displayed. You can place the avatar directly in the video environment or remove the background for a cleaner overlay look, using more credits. Before generating, use the Extra Visual Guidelines box and type. Keep the lip sync accurate and smooth enough to follow the audio. This helps guide the rendering process toward better synchronization. Now, click Generate. The avatar looks polished and the lip sync is smooth.
They were told to stay home, stay safe, stay small. But here you are anyway. What we face tomorrow isn't just a battle.
You can regenerate scenes if the background visuals don't match your context. You can also create a custom avatar video. Open the Custom Avatar tab and upload your own avatar asset, for example, an anime-style character. Add any script you want and generate the video using that custom presenter. This shows how the feature can support consistent branding or character-based content formats. As you can see, the anime background blends into the video throughout and the avatar looks solid. Finally, let's quickly look at pricing. Revid AI does not offer a free plan at the moment. The growth plan starts at $39 per month and includes options to record your own voice or video. Revid also lets you link your TikTok or Instagram accounts for direct publishing. Overall, the audio-to-video feature makes it easy to convert spoken content into visual videos without manual editing, and the AI Talking Avatars feature lets you create presenter-style videos without recording yourself. Although you may occasionally notice small visual or synchronization inconsistencies, regenerating specific scenes typically resolves these issues. So try out these features yourself and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.